In Canada, over 150 vehicles are stolen every single day, and yours could be next. The best way to protect your vehicle? Reliable, proven anti-theft devices. We offer 3 solutions, and each one is designed to protect your vehicle in a different way. Number 1, our tag tracking system. We install a whole network of trackers inside and outside of your vehicle. Big ones, small ones, and even little micro trackers hidden deep in places thieves won't even think about looking. It has a 24/7 recovery hotline. It's undetectable, anti-jamming, it has a randomized number of trackers, and it's insurance approved. If it's ever stolen, Tag's recovery team is notified and works with the police to recover it. Number 2, our Viper Immobilizer. With this product, you can enable and disable your vehicle from starting from up to 1,000 feet away. When you arm it with the fob, your vehicle will not start. Period. It's easy to use and great if you want something simple. Number 3, our IGLA PIN code to start. Our most popular and best-selling device. It requires a custom PIN code created by you using your vehicle's existing buttons to authorize the vehicle to start. Without the code, your vehicle won't start and thieves won't even know it's there. You can go with 1, 2, or 3 of all these powerful anti-theft devices, whatever option works best for you and your budget. At Durham Autohaus, we're known for our great customer service and award-winning work. Our certified team can tackle anything from your sedans, your pickup trucks, SUVs, electric vehicles, supercars, exotics, and more. Call us or fill out the form on our website to protect your vehicle today.